In this video, I'll show you how to install any mods in Resident Evil 6. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop the extracted mod manager inside of a game folder. Open the mod manager folder, modmanager.exe. Select more info and select run anyway option. In choose game, scroll down and find the Resident Evil 6. Select the game, choose game folder, choose the game install folder, navigate to the game install folder, select the game folder and select folder option. Select this mod list. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install these two mods. One is Chatless Leon and another one is Helena. This is Stress. Once you downloaded the mod, go to downloads. Drag and drop the downloaded mod rar file inside this mod manager. Select the Leon, turn on the mod and go back to mod list and turn on the Helena. You can install how much mod like this, but make sure the mod is turned on in this mod list. Now it can minimize and launch the game. As you can see, the mod works. Leon changed to shirtless and Helena dress has changed. And that's how you can install any mods in Resident Evil 6. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.